How to book a train ticket using the IRCTC official website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you the steps using which you can book a Indian Railways train ticket using the IRCTC official website. So the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. So be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser. And after you're in your web browser, simply search for IRCTC. Once you will search for IRCTC, you can see a number of different links, and the official IRCTC website is irctc.co.in. And once you'll click onto this irctc.co.in website, you will be landed onto this particular page. So this is the official IRCTC website to book tickets, that is irctc.co.in. So click onto this OK button from here, and now here you can see this interface from where you need to determine the source and the destination station, the date of the journey, the class, and the reservation type as well. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first form is the from option. So in this option, you will be determining that particular station from where you will be boarding your train. So for example, let's say if I want to board my train from New Delhi station, I can simply type in New Delhi, and now you can see here is the first option that says New Delhi with the NDLS station code. So simply choose the boarding station and then select the destination station. So let's say I want to go from New Delhi to, let's say, Kota. So simply type in Kota, and now you can see this Kota junction right here, which is in Rajasthan. So simply choose the destination station and then select the date of the journey. So for example, let's say I want to proceed with a later date of journey, let's say for the next month, 15th. So let's say 15th September 2025 is my date of the journey. And then you have the option of classes. So if you want to access the classes of all these available, you can simply choose from there, or you can choose any specific class as well. So like you can choose the first AC or the second AC, or let's say AC third economy, according to your preference. So apart from that, you also have the reservation option like journal. If you are a female passenger, you can choose it to ladies. So you can do this to avail some concession and reservations which are kept reserved for special classes like ladies, senior citizen, a person with disability, or let's say a duty pass if you are a railway employee. So you can keep it to general, and then you can click onto the search button in order to show you the available trains. So as here you can see, it has shown us different types of available trains, which you can see right here. So for example, let's say I want a train, let's say this one, that is the MMCT Tejas Rajdhani. And if I want to know about the availability of tickets, what I will need to do is simply click over to this button. So as you can see that on 15th of September, I have an available 101 seats for the AC3 tier. If I want it in a more better class, I can go for AC2 tier. And here I can see that for 15th of September, 54 AC2 tier seats are available. And similarly for the first AC as well. So you can choose any of these classes, simply select the particular available seat on any of the classes. It can be AC, sleeper, and then click onto this book now button. Once you will do this, you will need to log in with your IRCTC username and password. So simply type in your IRCTC username and password, and after you are done typing in your username and password, you need to type in the given captcha right here. So once you will type in the captcha, you need to click onto this button, that is login and booking with OTP if you want to book with an OTP, or you can simply click onto this sign in button, and you will be logged into your account and this particular page will open. And now from here you need to fill in the passenger details like the name, age, gender, nationality, and if you have a berth preference. So you can choose any berth preference like upper, lower, middle from this particular section. Then you also have the option of catering service. Since this particular train have a catering option, so you can choose your meal if you want. There are a number of different types of options for meal. If you want to add another passenger, you can simply click onto this button, and then you can add another passenger. Then apart from that, you also have the option to provide a contact number, and after you are done with that, you can also choose a reservation choice, which are as follows. And also a preferred coach number if you want, and then you need to select the payment method. You can either pay through debit cards, credit cards, or either using the Bheem or UPI. After you are done with that, you need to click onto this continue button and just make the payment, and your tickets will be mailed to your email ID and the mobile number that you provided. Apart from that, you can also check your ticket onto the IRCTC application or website as well. So that's how easily you can book a ticket in IRCTC official website. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.